ITRockstar Tech Tips 04. What PSU should you use when building a PC? The power supply unit, PSU, is the unsung hero of your PC build. It powers every component, and choosing the wrong one can lead to instability or even hardware damage. Here's how to pick the right one. Wattage matters. Calculate the total power your system needs using online PSU calculators like OuterVision or PC Part Picker. Add 100-150 watt headroom for future upgrades and optimal efficiency. Choose a trusted brand. Stick to reputable PSU manufacturers like Corsair, Seasonic, EVGA, or Be Quiet. Cheap or unknown brands often skimp on quality and safety. Check for 80+ certification. Look for at least 80+ bronze though. Gold or platinum is better for high efficiency builds.